Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a part 3 of polynomials. For part 1 and 2, link in the description box below, you can check that out. Now let's see division algorithm for polynomials. If f of x and g of x are any two polynomials with g of x not equal to 0, then we can find the polynomials q of x and r of x such that f of x is equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x. F of x is nothing but the dividend, q of x is quotient, g of x is divisor, and r of x is remainder, where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x should be less than the degree of g of x. You will understand this better when you see an example. Now let's see this problem. Divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square and verify division algorithm. First let's write what is given. So here given is f of x, which is equal to 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, right? If you see, the degree is in descending order, right? 3x cube, x square, x and constant, right? Now g of x is 1 plus 2x plus x square. This you have to write in the decreasing order of their degrees. So x square will come first plus 2x plus 1, right? So now we'll divide this by this. That is, we have 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. And g of x is x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we have to make the first term of the dividend to 0. For that, take the first term of the dividend, that is 3x cube, by first term of the divisor. Here it is x square. So you will get 3x, right? Here x cube, so 2x is gone, left with 1x, so 3x. Now write this 3x here. Now multiply this 3x to this divisor. You will get 3x into x square is 3x cube. Now 3x into 2x is 3 2s are 6, 6x square, right? Plus 3x into 1, that is 3x. Now change the sign. When you have plus, make it to minus. If it plus, then minus. Here plus, so minus, right? So 3x cube minus 3x cube will give you 0. X square minus 6x square will give you minus 5x square. Here 2x minus 3x. So you will left with 1x, that is minus x plus 5, right? Now check the degree. Here the degree of the remainder is 2, which is equal to the degree of the divisor, right? We want degree to be less than the degree of the divisor. So let's continue again. Now take the first term of the dividend, that is minus 5x square by first term of the divisor. Here it is x square, right? So we are left with minus 5. So now write this minus 5 here and now multiply minus 5 to the divisor. So you will get minus into plus is minus, 5 into x square is 5x square, minus into plus is minus, 5 2s are 10x, right? Minus into plus is minus, 5 1s are 5. Now change the sign. Here it is minus, so change it to plus. This is minus, so plus. This is minus, so plus, right? So now first term will be 0. Minus 5x square and plus 5x square is 0. Here you will get plus 9x, right? 10x minus x is 9x and plus 10. Now if you see the degree of the remainder, here the degree of the remainder is 1 and the degree of the divisor is 2, which is less than the divisor, right? So you have to stop this division here. So your r of x, that is a remainder, is 9x plus 10 and q of x, which is a quotient, is 3x minus 5. Now we have to verify the division algorithm. Let me do here verification part. So we know divisor, that is g of x into q of x plus r of x should give you f of x, right? So here g of x is x square plus 2x plus 1, and your q of x is 3x minus 5, and your r of x is 9x plus 10. Let's multiply this with this. So that will be x square into 3x is 3x cube, right? X square into minus 5 is minus 5x square. Now 2x into 3x is 3 to the 6x square, and 2x into minus 5 is minus 5 to the 10x. So 1 into 3x is 3x, plus into minus is minus, 1 into 5 is 5. And here we have 9x plus 10, right? So now we have 3x cube minus 5x square plus 6x square is plus 1x square. Here minus 10x plus 3x is minus 7x. So minus 7x plus 9x is plus 2x, right? So plus 2x. Here minus 5 plus 10 is plus 5. So which is nothing but your f of x, right? Hence it is verified. Now let's see this simple problem, that is divide 3 minus x plus 2x square by 2 minus x and verify the division algorithm. First let's write what is given. So here given is f of x, that is 3 minus x plus 2x square. First you have to write this in the general form, that is in decreasing order of their degree. 2x square will come first, minus x plus 3, right? And g of x is given, which is a divisor, in this case 2 minus x. So to write them in the general form, that is in decreasing order of the degree. So minus x will come first, then plus 2, right? Now let's divide this by this, that is 2x square minus x plus 3, here minus x plus 2, right? Now how to do this? You have to make the first term of the dividend to 0. That is, by what term of the number when you multiply to this will make the first term 0? That we will see like this. Take the first term, that is 2x square, by first term of the divisor, that is minus x, right? So this will give you minus 2x, right? 1x is gone, so left with 2x. So now minus 2x. When you multiply minus into minus plus 2x into x, so 2x square minus into plus will give minus 2 to the 4x, right? So now change the sign, here minus, here plus. Minus you will change to plus. If you have plus, you will change to minus. Okay, this will be 0. So now this will take the new sign. So plus 4x, minus x and plus 4x. So that will be plus 3x, right? Plus 3. You see the degree of this. So the degree of remainder is 1, x power 1, right? And the degree of the divisor is also 1. So you have to continue this. Again you have to make the first term of the dividend to 0. That is 3x by first term of the divisor, that is minus x, right? So we are left with x is gone, so we are left with minus 3. So write minus 3 here. Now multiply minus 3 to this divisor. So minus into minus will give you plus 3 into x is 3x, plus into minus is minus 3 to the 6, right? So when you have plus, change it to minus, and when you have minus, change it to plus. So this will be 0. So plus 3 and plus 6 will give you plus 9, right? Here in this case, the degree of the remainder is 9 into x power 0, so 0, which is less than the degree of the divisor. Here x power 1, here the degree is 1. So you will stop this division, right? Therefore, your q of x is minus 2x minus 3 and r of x is 9. Let me do here the verification part, that is to verify the division algorithm, that is verification. In my previous slide, I have mentioned that f of x is equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x, right? So q of x into g of x plus r of x. Now we have to see this is equal to f of x or not, right? So q of x here is minus 2x minus 3 into g of x is minus x plus 2 plus your r of x is 9, right? So multiply this into this and this into this plus this into this and this into this. That is minus into minus plus 2x into x is 2x square. So again minus into plus is minus 2 2s are 4x, right? So now minus 3 into minus x is minus into minus plus 3x, minus into plus is minus 3 2s are 6, right? Plus 9. So this will give you 2x square minus 4x plus 3x will give you minus x plus 9 and minus 6 will give you plus 3, right? Which is nothing but 2x square. So we have 2x square minus x plus 3. 2x square minus x plus 3, which is equal to f of x, right? So hence it is verified. Similarly, you can do this problem, that is verified division algorithm for polynomials f of x is equal to 8 plus 20x plus x square minus 6x cube and g of x is 2 plus 5x minus 3x square. Do try this out. But here, make sure you write this in the standard form. That is, minus 6x cube comes first and then x square term, then 20x and then 8. Write in the general form here and same here as well. I have another problem for you guys, that is on dividing 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by a polynomial g of x. The quotient and the remainder are 3x minus 5 and 9x plus 10 respectively. Find g of x. Here I'll give the formula, you can try this out. So we know f of x is equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x, right? Here you have to find g of x. From this equation, g of x is equal to f of x minus r of x by q of x, right? So do try this out. This is it in this video. I hope you understood today's topic. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.